Hi! In front of me is Realme C53 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then select Files section and hold one of your files right away. Use one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Whatever you do, you can also choose audio and videos filters at the top. Last but not least, hold your file that you wish to send and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!